So what do you have now?
B-O-O.
What do you have?
B.
B?
I'm gonna 180 fly out and half cap it.
I just want to ram you.
You're gonna need speed. Yes! Oh!
What are we at?
I'm at B. Yes, I got this side. That wasn't high. Haha! Take the letter. Rebate. No. Haha. That's a rebate. I'm at another O. I'm gonna call it out again. I'm gonna die. He's at B. I mean B. Heck no. I'm not making that. I would die. I'm just gonna take it at a T. Yeah, it's so sketch. On a bike, you have to like balance right here, but then get speed. But on a, you can't do the tricks that I do.
There's no comment.
Oh, it's slippery. I have to go.
Oh.
Get up on there.
Yes.
Back it. That's so dangerous.